Welcome back to the Mustache Show. Only about another week, I'm starting to grow the beard back. Anyways, guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are doing a best of because one, it's an easy video. Two, I love going back and watching all my old videos and finding, the parts I like the best. I mean, I try to save them throughout the year, but let's be honest, that's easier said than done. I have whole parts that are just missing. I had to go screen record, which makes them look just a little terrible, especially the ones with the Honda 500. I really know I had them somewhere, but they're gone. They're all gone. So I just screen record all that. We definitely have some of my favorite parts. Like we sung I think 4 different folders this year. And I tried to mix them around so they're all not in one place. Because let's be honest, you don't want to have them in one place. A couple years ago, we did do one where we put each month and each videos from that month. And ever since then, I'm like, that didn't do the best. One, you have, everyone's like, well, I was around here, but I missed these. No, we just mix them all around. You put some Polaris here, some Hondas there. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you wouldn't mind, like, comment, subscribe. And I'll see you at the end of it. Oh crap, oh crap, oh crap. Come on, baby. Come on. Well, at least we got waddle now. Hey, that's too deep. Oh crap, I don't know, a snake or an eel. Oh crap. Well, ladies and gentlemen, like I said, we got stuck immediately. Six-wheel drive, engage. This is a bad idea. Oh wow, we're going, come on. We got far though. Oh no, my boots. I forgot to put my waders on. How the heck did we get this bad already? Let's try it, guys. We got it. We got it. Come on. Come on. There we go. Got it. Come on. I'm gonna go ahead and say I broke that rear axle. Yeah, that back axle on that side is not hitting at all. Come on, come on. You're almost up, baby. Hey, fat stick. Oh, damn, the sticks. And we broke the front diff.
You serious?
So we just kind of got it laying in there, but let's be honest, if you could clear the tiles, which let's be honest, you couldn't, that would be pretty bad to the bone if you could somehow swing it up there and come out that fender. But let's be honest, it'd get too hot and it was definitely burning that plastic up.
Eventually.
And we got it, people. Look at that. Doesn't look half bad. We got some J rigging. We got some hose clamps. It's not exactly as sturdy as, but come on. It's pretty badass. Sadly, I was cutting it. I didn't realize I cut a little too far this way, so now they're kind of cockeyed. But come on, that's pretty badass. Let's hear it. Let's hear it. Let's hear it. Oh yeah. Let's do a full dig. Good luck, my eels.
Good. Good luck, everybody else!
Baby, I love you. What do you think? I'm looking at you right now. Stick a hand at me. Wave at me. All the way out the window.
What did I do?
I mean, I don't know about you, but I don't like the window being down. Hey. Be super cold in the morning with that window down. Woo! That was cold. Hey, shut, go. You may have seen a house fly, maybe a superfly, but have you ever seen a Honda fly? Now you have. You're welcome. And it died. Aw.
It's a six-wheel drive, you idiot! It's six wheels!
Oh, we dug it out again.
Come kick it! Come on.
Look, we bottomed out.
Uh-huh.
Climb right out. Don't even have to worry about the rut. Oh, crap. And now we're floating. Woo! Over my head, over my head. Well, she's floating pretty good. Come on. No, no, no. What the? Nope, don't sink, baby. Ah, that was awesome. You're coming up whether you like it or not, baby. Where's she going? I stopped a long time ago, babe. Okay, let's go. Oh! What just happened? What just happened? What broke? Oh God, the shock just broke. Oh, that's cold. Wow, that's deep. Well, we lost the seat. Holy crap. This'd be a lot easier if I wasn't fighting with my own seat. Come on, seat. Oh. Well. No. Wait. I should have seen that coming. Oh, that's cold. Level 2? White level 2, people. Oh my gosh, level 3. Level 3, white level 3. Oh crap. No, No. Oh God. Well, ladies and gentlemen, the weights are a bad idea because I can't lift this thing up. Oh crap. This is deeper than me. Ah! Come on. And oh. Okay, that hot. Oh my God. Ooh. Ah. Ah. It's my own little boat. I couldn't afford a boat, so I had to buy a foil. Ah. Nope. No. Oh, and again. 2 times in a row. Oh crap. This is a steep hill. Woo! And people are staring at me. Oh crap, come on. Woo! Oh, tree!
You serious?
What the hell? We just lost power to everything. I told you there's nice rut right there. There you go. Maybe. At least the idol's underwater. Never tested the stalker out yet, but we're gonna see how deep we can make it go. The snorkel's good, it ain't sunk yet. Holy crap, it's over. Yeah, woo! That ball's gone. Whoa! You got it! Lean! You got it, keep holding it, keep holding it. Look at it floating, Landon. Keep holding it. Oh, hang on. Let me toss my phone. You got this, buddy. See? Whoa. Let go, let go, let go, let go, let go, let go. Hold it.
What are you doing?
Don't worry, we'll just water William, buddy.
Hey, Jonna, am I getting kisses tonight?
Oh, then we're gonna pay full, no splitting the debt. Remember, when you get to the water, hold it down, okay? Hold that throttle down when you get to the water. The gas. When you get in the water, hold that down. The throttle. If not, you ain't gonna move. It ain't terrible. Go ahead. You got it. See if my 9-year-old can make it. Hold it. You got it. Come on. What are you gonna do, buddy? You gonna go through it or not? Yeah, I can do it. Whoa. You okay? Little Joe. Landon. We're here, guys. We're at Fusco. Yes.
You were saying that? You were saying? Oh, crap.
Matthew, what?
Yes, do it.
All I can say is hang on to your britches, boys. Woo! Bad idea. Bad idea. that thing is nose diving. Little Joe, you blocked my view, buddy. You did it! Oh, he made it. He did it. Joe. Come on. When you jump in a hole without paying attention, and now you gotta dig your boot out. You didn't even wait for me to get over here. Oof. Oh no, we lost the flipple. The ruby slipple is floating away.
Oh crap, I may want to back up here. Ow! Let's stop belted by mud.
Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed it, man. These are my favorite videos. A lot of people don't watch them except people who actually watch the channel. And they're some of my favorite because you just go through and find it. And of course, I got to tell everybody, I probably missed some funny moments because let's be honest, all you really save is like the 4 little moments. But anyways, guys, what are you going to do? And guys, I won't lie. We have all the parts ordered for the Can-Am Maverick. It is coming this week, hopefully, and we will have it ready, hopefully by the 4th of the year, because I am ready. I went and ordered a whole new rebuild, and we're going to go rebuild it. And other than that, guys, I want to wish everybody a very, very, very Merry Christmas, and I hope you all have a good week, and I will see you next time where who knows what we're getting into. See y'all.